Today we're here at the Millington Pharmacy inside of Rosati's Marketplace, and I'd like to show you something that can help keep specific areas of your home or business comfortable all year long. Here in the pharmacy, we have a lot of medications that need to be kept at a very specific temperature. And in a confined space, it's kind of hard to do unless you have one of these. This is a mini split, or what's also called a ductless air conditioner, and it works by remote control. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's running right now. It's that quiet. So whether you're at home or at your business, there'll be no disruptions if you're dealing with customers or even trying to watch TV. The beautiful part about this is it not only cools, and you can see we're at about 68 degrees in here right now, but in the wintertime it will also warm you to the exact temperature that you want. This system has an outdoor unit that's attached to it that is like your air conditioner outside, and this is all that you have on the inside, and it works perfectly. Whether you have a sunroom that needs cooling or heating, an upstairs bedroom or area that may be too warm or too cool, or a specific area of your business, computer rooms need cooling, a mini split or a ductless air conditioning is your way to stay much more comfortable all year long. For more tips and videos, visit us next time. Working to keep your home and business healthy and safe, I'm Jeff Lee.